Hello, my name's Zach. It's awkward. I've never done a YouTube video before. Well, my name's Zach. This is my first YouTube video. Not too sure what direction I'm gonna go with the YouTube channel yet. But today we're gonna start out with reviewing my EDC bag and everything that's in it. All right, we're just gonna jump right in here. So this is my EDC bag. I'll do my best to link everything that I have down in the description. This is a Maxpedition bag. It's one of the smaller bags that they have, but it works perfect for everything that I carry. It does have this optional sling that I don't really use. I just keep it buttoned up here. I have on the side here some Leatherman Raptor shears. It's got a seat belt cutter on it, glass breaker, the shears, all of that good stuff. I like to keep those handy. And then moving into the main pocket here, we've got glasses, an extra pair of glasses. I normally wear contacts, so that's why I have those in there. Next, I like to keep some electronic things with me. I'll keep a portable charger, plus wall outlet, and then a phone charger. I normally carry around a flash drive with me just in case, and a few other little things. A dongle for the MacBook, some extra headphones. I'll show you where the other ones are here shortly. So that's kind of just the electronics that I keep with me. In this pocket, we've also got some tools. So I like to keep a little Leatherman with me. You never know when you need some pliers or just an extra knife. I think this one's got a saw and all sorts of other little things. So there's that. I also like to keep a little adjustable wrench. This works really good for taking off little nuts and bolts or whatever you come across during the day. In this pocket right here, I like to keep just something to write on. It's good to have something to write on. Moving into this pocket right here. I'm actually going to save this for last, but I'll come back to that. I keep some contact solution, some extra contact solution, as well as obviously spare contacts, which are in this front pocket. So just in this little pouch here, some extra contacts and glasses cleaner. And then I normally will keep some band-aids and stuff like that in this little pouch. You can see I got some wound wipes and some Orajel, but I need to restock this. Let's see here. I don't have anything in this pocket normally. I normally keep this one empty. So that's all of those. So in this front pocket here, I like to normally keep my wallet. If I'm not carrying it with me, I'll keep my wallet in there. And a pair of AirPods, just like that. Those are nice, not having wires. Let's see, what else here? I think that's it for the bag. Like I said, I'll try and link the bag if I can. But that's it for the bag. So one of my favorite pieces here is my pill organizer. It stores pretty much whatever medications you need. Benadryl, Advil, we got Tums, allergy relief, just pretty much anything you can think of. Yeah, and the nice thing about this is it keeps it all contained, so when it is inside the bag, these don't accidentally pop open and spill all over the bag. So it's really nice. Yeah, that's it. That's my ADC bag.